What if your next software engineer never sleeps, writes perfect code, and fits in your pocket? In this episode, we dive into OpenAI's newest brainiac, GPT-4.1, a coding-obsessed model aiming to replace your dev team, kind of. We break down what it can do, how it stacks up to competitors, and what it means for the future of AI and software development.
Welcome to Transformix, the podcast where we break down the latest in artificial intelligence, from mind-blowing breakthroughs to everyday impacts. I'm your host, Rai, a tech enthusiast with a passion for all things AI.
And I'm Sofi, your AI aficionado and resident skeptic, here to ask the tough questions. Whether it's deep learning, ethics, or how AI is reshaping your morning coffee routine, we're diving deep. No jargon, just real talk.
Okay, GPT 4.1 is here. And let me tell you, it's like ChatGPT just signed up for a full-stack developer bootcamp.
Wait, 4.1 I just got used to 40. Why are these names sounding like iPhone updates?
Right? But naming drama aside, this one's all about coding. OpenAI is basically saying, hey devs, we got you. GPT 4.1 plus its smaller buddies, Mini and Nano, are optimized for writing, testing, and even formatting code like prose.
I love how they casually mention the model can handle a 1 million token context window. That's like reading War and Peace in one breath, and then fixing your app's bugs during the exhale.
Exactly. And OpenAI is not alone. Google's Gemini 2.5 and Anthropic's Claude 3.7 are already playing in that coding playground. But OpenAI's real goal? Build a full-on agentic software engineer. Think AI that can build, test, and document an app alone.
So like, my future coworker is going to be a nano-sized AI intern who never takes a lunch break? Yikes.
Kinda, and it's efficient too. Nano's their fastest and cheapest model. Great for quick jobs. But the full GPT 4.1 model still takes the crown for performance. Mostly.
Ooh, mostly? Sounds like there's a catch.
Yep. While it's strong on benchmarks like SWE-bench and even crushed a video understanding test with no subtitles, it still struggles when handling too many tokens. Like the more you feed it, the dumber it gets. Accuracy dropped from 84% to 50% when scaling up input. Oof.
So basically, amazing memory, but it gets overwhelmed at a family reunion.
Exactly. Also, it's a bit too literal. Like, it'll do what you say very precisely. So devs need to be crystal clear with prompts or risk some technically correct but hilariously wrong code.
So if you're vague, GPT-4.1 becomes that intern who builds a spaceship when you asked for a sandwich.
Perfect metaphor. Still, it's a big step toward the AI-powered dev tools of the future. Faster, smarter, more context-aware, but not flawless.
All right, tech world, brace yourselves. The bots are coding, and they're coming for your bugs. And that's a wrap for today's AI adventures. If your brain's buzzing with questions, or if you've got a hot take on our debate, drop us a voice note or tweet us at Transformix88.